Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a frequently asked question page in Shopify. So the process is actually easy. You can go to this left panel and click on Online Store. Make sure that you're on Themes. Of course, normally the frequently asked questions can be added to the footer of the page. So any page that you go through, you'll be able to see the frequently asked question. If you want to create an own page for it, go to this below as example themes and click on pages. Once you click on pages, you can click on add a page, name it frequently asked questions, and make sure it's visible. And then save it. So for me, I already have such a page, as you can see right here, frequently asked questions. If I go here to themes, and normally if I click on the theme, if I go down, as you can see, to the footer, I'll find that I do have here frequently asked question. Of course, I do have here my question. I can change the question, and of course, I can change the answer to that question as well, however I want. But as you can see, this is in the footer of my page. If I go right here, let me just show you, like I'm trying to browse through my store right here. So I'll find this at the bottom of each page. If I go to any products example, so this is another page, I'll find this at the bottom. And any other page, if I go to it, I'll find it normally at the bottom. And this is normally the most optimal way and the best way to have it at the footer, so always customers can have access to it. But if you want to have it on its own page, you can do that as well. As I said, you can go and create your own page. And let me just go back and edit the theme. So make sure that it's not in the footer. Make sure to delete this example from the footer. And you go then to the exact page that you have. So go to that exact page, and simply you would like to add a section. Make sure it's a custom section. And from here, you can go and add your frequently asked question section or block. You can add your questions, add your answers. So for me, as I said, the best way is to have it as footer, but it's totally up to you to do whatever you want. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.